If your child's insulated lunch bag looks dirty and grimy and you'd like to get it clean and like new, keep watching because I'm going to show you. You're going to start with some OxyClean, about 1/4 of a scoop, and you're going to throw this into an empty bucket. Next, you're going to fill your bucket about halfway, or just enough to sort of cover the lunch bag. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. Once there's enough water to cover your bag when you're pushing it down, you could go ahead and place your bag in there, push it down to get it soaked. It will float back up to the top, but just make sure you push it down, get it soaked really well. And you can also see that some of the dirt is already coming off just by placing it in the soapy water. Leave it to soak for an hour or two, depending on how much dirt is on your bag. Then go ahead and take a small scrub brush or a toothbrush and gently scrub it. Now you don't want to scrub it too hard because you'll pull up the fibers, so just lightly scrub it until your dirt comes off. And don't forget to scrub the inside as well. This will not need as much scrubbing as the outside, so just be gentle. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can drain out the water. Once you're done, place your bag outside in the sun for it to dry. You can leave it out there for a whole day. You may need 2, possibly 3 days, depending on how much moisture is in your bag. Now, if you live in a climate where it's not possible to put it outside, you can pin it up on a hanger and place it over the sink to drip. Once it's drip dried, you can place it over a vent to let it dry further. And that's it. Once you're done, you have a clean bag that looks like new, ready for your child's lunches. So once again, this is what the bag looked like before.